Uptown Swing level 1, 8 count.
Maddie, Peter.
We did promenades today and reverse promenades. They go like this. Promenade. Walk, walk, triple step, reverse promenade. Oh yeah, and you can also do them with the pecs. Rock, step, triple step, huh, huh. Rock, step, triple step, huh, huh. Just for fun. Remember, when we did those, we talked about leaders, you move with both hands, and I'm kind of holding more the corner of my followers back, not the middle. Kind of the corner there.
Followers, we're not reaching up on our leader. We're just being chill, hanging down here wherever it fits.
Makes life a lot easier, especially for the swing out too. When we're here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple step, step, step. Followers face your leaders the whole time. You face them. Out there, you face them in here. You face them at the beginning and the end. And it all works, and everything perfect. Do, do, doodly, doodly, do. We're done.